Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working on a ThinkPad T14, the Gen 4 model. Show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing guys, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now you have 7 screws by the red arrows. After you remove those screws, we're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and we're going to go across the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from the rest of your computer. It's generally best to start near the back 2 hinges, and in this case, it was easiest to start right on top of that hinge with a small, narrow plastic pry tool. Make sure you don't put the pry tool too far in, keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but careful but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you remove the bottom case, this is what you're looking at for the rest of the computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model, the T14, there will be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll have all of those tools and supplies and all of these replacement parts for this model computer. Now, before touching anything in a computer, I always remove or at least unplug my battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. So here's your battery right down here. The battery is held down by these 6 screws and plugs into the motherboard right there. And the plug itself is not wired, it's actually part of the battery. So after removing all the screws, you just lift the battery up and that unplugs it from the motherboard. Okay, now that the battery's been unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. Now your Wi-Fi card that you have stock in this computer is located right up here. As you can see, the antenna wire, both plug into it here, but this is not a removable Wi-Fi card. This is soldered onto the motherboard. So you can't replace or upgrade that. But down here, there's a port right here. This is an upgrade slot for a possible 4G WAN card if you want to upgrade your computer's Wi-Fi ability. I will have this card's information below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement, but I will include one below in the description in that link I told you about with all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. You would insert it right here into this port, and then a screw would screw down here to hold that card in place. Pretty simple operation. I guess the last thing I can mention about this type of a repair is if you are having Wi-Fi issues, if you can't locate your Wi-Fi settings, or if you can't see any networks, your problem may not be a bad Wi-Fi card. I will have a video link above, also below in the description. It'll be a tutorial showing you how to troubleshoot if you can't see your Wi-Fi networks or if you can't even access your Wi-Fi settings, because most likely it's not your Wi-Fi card. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your ThinkPad T14, access your Wi-Fi card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.